Now the question arises that what are the causes of this miserable situation? Easy, not difficult. It's because of our own sinful deeds. It's because of gap between. وقال النبي صلى الله عليه وآله وسلم إنما بعثت معلما أو كما قال. Honorable President, respectable teacher, my dear guests and fellows, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today, it is a great source of pleasure for me to stand in front of you to present my topic, Unity of Ummah is the need of the day. Dear audience, unfortunately, we are passing through an age of war, disturbance, and Muslim Ummah is in great difficulties nowadays. For example, in Syria, Palestine, Afghanistan, Kashmir, Burma and Iraq, etc. So what are the reason for this? No, because we have hundreds of problems beside this. Dear President, in fact, when a nation loses its religion and moral values, the consequences are far more dangerous than what have just been mentioned. Now the question arises that what are the causes of this miserable situation? Easy, not difficult. It's because of our own sinful deeds. It's because of gap between us and our religion Islam, and we are not following the injunction of Allah Ta'ala and the Sunnah of Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. And the greatest reason is our disunity. Allah Almighty says in the Holy Quran, وَأَتَسِمُوا بِحَبْلِ اللَّهِ جَمِيعًا وَلَا تَفَرَّقُوا. The Muslims are ordered to be united and not be scattered, but unfortunately we have been divided into many groups. May Allah Almighty make us a united nation. Ameen. Thank you.